Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can very easily and quickly send Zoom app conference link in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also friends, write your comments below this video. And let us get started with you. If you want to create a conference in Zoom, but to do that, you'll need to send it to people in WhatsApp. To do this is very simple. First of all, you will need to open the Zoom app. On the top left, select New Conference. Next, start the conference. After that, wait for everything to load. When your conference loads, you can click on Participants at the bottom. You will now have an option to add or invite at the bottom. Click on it. Scroll down and select the Copy Link option. The link will be copied, after which you can exit the Zoom conference. Next, open WhatsApp. Now go to Chats, and next you need to select the chat you want. Now tap and hold. Select Paste and send this link. In this way, the Zoom link will be sent to the person you need. And he/she, by clicking on that link, will go straight to your Zoom conference. That's how it is, friends. You can quickly and very so easily send Zoom conference link in WhatsApp. I really hope, friends, that you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Write your comments. Also put your likes below the video. Take care, friends.